Number 1. INTJ women are really smart. A person who has an INTJ personality type is more likely to be intelligent than the other MBTI types, with the exception of the INTP personality type, which are usually the most intelligent. INTJs are ardent collectors of knowledge and are lifelong learners. Their nearly unquenchable hunger for information leads INTJs to broaden their horizons. They're continuously looking for fresh knowledge and like spending their time studying. They possess an eclectic set of interests on a wide variety of subjects. INTJs strive to achieve a deep understanding of their subjects. Their knowledge is not just surface level. They like to read nonfiction. They learn from watching documentaries or by practicing the new skills they have learned. They are systematic and visionary problem solvers. Adding to that, INTJ personality types are likely to do well in college and achieve an impressive GPA. These thinkers prize intellect, self-confidence, and the capacity to make solid, effective judgments above everything else. Number 2. INTJ women think clearly and critically. Women with this personality type prefer to scrutinize every piece of information they get. They use introverted intuition to examine patterns, meanings, and possibilities. They're more interested in the implications of the facts than in the facts themselves. So, as a result, INTJ women think clearly and critically. They are often quite interested in their surroundings and desire to understand the guiding principle underlying what they perceive. They frequently have ideas on how to perform things more effectively, and they are motivated by outcomes rather than personal sentiments. INTJ women always tend to criticize how others accomplish things. This is mostly because they believe their approach is the best. 3. INTJ women are independent. INTJs desire to build true connections despite their independence. Taking the independent route is rarely a conscious decision for the INTJ female. Their introverted intuition and extroverted reasoning help them build relationships. And for them, the actual litmus test for an idea is whether or not it will operate efficiently and effectively in the real world. Many female INTJs desire companionship, but they are also quite capable of being content on their own. They can be seen by others as being cold and harsh. They can also appear distant and inexpressive. They are not easily swayed by their emotions, as well as the emotions of others. So, smothering them with attention is not the best method to demonstrate that you are deserving of their close friendship. Unlike certain extroverted personalities who love frequent contact through messaging or meeting up, female INTJs prefer to be left alone most of the time. In the same way, don't make the mistake of trying to control them. It sounds difficult to build connections with female INTJs, but regardless, once these connections are made, they will not take them for granted. 4. INTJ women have high confidence. Female INTJs excel at a variety of skills, but one that stands out is decisiveness. They are rational thinkers. Therefore, they have little need to second-guess themselves when making decisions. They have confidence in their own abilities and ideas. They do, however, often come across as being too honest or too direct with little time for small talk. It's thought that their introverted nature and their tendency to overanalyze situations are to blame for this particular trait, but usually they are often misunderstood by others. Regardless, if an INTJ is right, they are right. Their introverted intuition gives them confidence because it helps them to focus effectively on whatever they set their mind to. In the workplace, INTJ women can be difficult to manage. It's difficult for an INTJ to keep their mouth shut if they think someone in charge is not pulling their weight. They will speak up if a manager does not appear to think through their actions, avoids making decisions, or hasn't risen to their role on merit. 5. INTJ women are sometimes intimidating. Some may find INTJ females intimidating, which is largely due to their extensive knowledge and confidence in their own decisions. The intelligence of an INTJ can make people feel uneasy around them because of their brilliance, honesty, independence, and efficiency. Female INTJs can be daunting to others. INTJs can be direct and harsh in their use of language. They can give you a death stare if you have wronged them, and their humor can be quite sarcastic. But contrary to that, sometimes people are just just intimidated by things that they do not understand. INTJs are good at seeing the underlying cause for something or the long-term effect it will have. As a result, they will frequently identify issues that others are unaware of. They're not as harsh as some people think they are. They're just simply vocal with things that other people are too afraid to point out. 6. INTJ women can be perfectionists, which means they hold themselves to extremely high standards when it comes to how things should be done. Given the fact that INTJs are smart, they place a premium on efficiency and accuracy, both for themselves and for those around them. Female INTJs always devote themselves to constantly increase their competence, skills, and knowledge. As much as possible, they work systematically on tasks given or assigned to them, and they are often perfectionists with very high standards of performance, not just for themselves, but also for others. 7. INTJ women hate gender stereotypes. Gender stereotypes are preconceived notions in which males and females are arbitrarily allocated qualities and duties based on their gender. Only 1% of adult females in the United States identify as an INTJ personality type. 3% of males are INTJs. While in the world, INTJ women are the rarest personality type. They are said to be 0.8% of the population because both male and female INTJs are quiet and analytical rather than outgoing and emotionally expressive. Female INTJs may feel as though they do not fit the traditional definition of femininity. Female INTJs may be prodded by friends and family members who do not completely understand the INTJ personality to simply smile more and loosen up. Or they may criticize the INTJ females' lack of emotion. It's important for INTJ women to understand there is nothing wrong with them. It is just who they are, and they should embrace it. Number 8. INTJ women are game changers. When INTJs apply their theories into action, they can quickly experience personal growth. INTJs are hardwired to be transformational leaders. If the ideas and theories they articulate are not implemented, they can easily become frustrated. On a personal level, INTJs may improve drastically by putting their ideas into practice. Some of the INTJ women that turn the table upside down are former First Lady Michelle Obama, Angela Lansbury, Ashley Olsen, and Jodie Foster. They are women who break all the barriers around them and have made extraordinary lives for themselves. They are calm yet stubborn, especially when they know they are doing the right thing. Most female INTJs are also comfortable with leadership because they are natural-born leaders. They get pleasure from developing people and letting these people know that they can do more in life. Female INTJs can be an inspiration to all. 9. INTJs are picky about whom they associate with. The INTJ personality type is known as masterminds because they are intelligent and decisive in all situations. They are exceedingly picky about whom they associate with, but that does not mean they have no friends. INTJs place a high emphasis on intellect and sincerity in their relationships, and they are far more sensitive than they look. As a result, INTJs are very picky about whom they let into their lives. As friends or lovers, they like meaningful interactions. So, as a result, they are drawn to people who can connect with them intellectually. INTJs have a distinct idea about what constitutes a healthy relationship, and they are typically unshakable in their pursuit of this ideal when it comes to romance. Number 10. Not living in the moment. INTJ females can often get caught in a loop of their deep thoughts. Whether it's problem-solving or thinking about their dreams, aspirations, and vision for their future, this future focus can sometimes mean they miss out on the present. If they don't get the balance right between theorizing and actually doing it, can stall their progression and enjoyment of life. It's important for INTJs not to get trapped in their own heads too much and enjoy the natural flow of life. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment on the video. If you do, we will personally respond to you. Be sure to check out this playlist of our top videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care!